Talked of giving time. There's another thing, very interesting thing that we noticed is, during the Kashmir floods, we've had a lot of young people actually coming together. People, probably Kashmiris, the Kashmiri Pandits, the ones who are displaced, and a lot of other people who've actually come together, collected clothes, collected food and all of that, and worked with government agencies, physically gone there to actually ensure that the people who are affected are not hungry, they have enough clothes, they have enough food.
Right.
So that is a trend that was, I saw it. In fact, we did a show on that as well. And they said that, yes, we've had a lot of people actually wanting to devote their time, as you said, Manju, and actually go there and say, okay, we are coming with supplies, we are coming with medicines, we are coming with food to help people out. So what I'm trying to ask here is that we are actually changing as a people, because normally in India, of course the concept of sharing and giving is there, but it's to your brother, your sibling, your cousin, and your friends. To a stranger, we have always been reticent about helping, have we not?
Yeah. No, absolutely. I mean, I think this culture has been there, and Jammu Kashmir last year, Uttarakhand, similar trend. And also, I mean, I remember way back in when the Bhuj earthquake happened, and so when I arrived there, the day I was there, this was like the second or the third day. And there were already people coming in their cars carrying, food, clothing, all sorts of household items that they thought people would need. People from Punjab, which was across the border, also came over with, truckfuls of food supplies and all. They were cooking there, feeding the people so that they could, sort of concentrate on actually starting to rebuild their lives, or, start to address some of their other immediate needs. So all of that was happening, and that's a trend that happens a lot.